All right, first time with the Aodhan company. They've just ordered a set of Aff7s for my Grand Marquis. These are 19 by 8.5. Offset is 35. So just got them in literally 15 minutes ago. Got a company that's gonna come out and do a mobile install. Let's just take a look. Packaged pretty well. They could have had some insulation on the side here, but they seem fine. Let's see what they look like. These are the silver with the machine front, machine face. These are nice. Nice budget option here. Wow, these are really nice. These look good. So you can see the machined surface here. Focus. I'm using my cell phone. But yeah, you can see like the little grooves in the machine front. Almost, you can see like a little rainbow in here. It does come with center caps, which is awesome. Some wheels don't do that. They don't come with them. But yeah, let me take them out of the box and I will show you a little bit more. So here we have it. Inside, got the name of the wheel on here. Some other specs. Got the size, obviously. Nice and wide. Yeah, they're not too wide. They're only 8.5s. I would have loved to have gone wider for this setup, but I'm only going to be. Well, I want these to be able to rotate, so I have a square set of 8.5s. The car can only really fit an 8.5 in the front for clearance. So as annoying as that is, you know, it is what it is. I can't do anything about it. The backs are gonna have spacers on them. They have spacers currently. But yeah, this is it. They look good. Very impressed by the look of these. Pretty cool. Next video, I'll just have them mounted on some tires and they're gonna be balanced here in a little bit. But I just wanted to give you guys a up close look. There's no videos really on YouTube of these wheels, or there's not any that are like this in depth where you're actually, you know, looking at everything. The finish seems pretty good. We'll see how long that lasts. Hopefully for a while. Nice and smooth. Feels pretty good. Just make sure when you clean these or any wheel, you use the right cleaner. Don't be using degreaser because it's eventually going to eat the clear coat on the wheels. A lot of people, for some reason, do that, and they wind up getting screwed up. So, very nice looking wheel. They look better in person. So yeah, there you have it. The other thing I wanted to do is weigh them. So, let's see what we got. If I can get this on here. That's actually pretty good. They're just over 20 pounds for a 19 by 8.5 by a, I hate saying lower end, but they're not like NKs. I have NKs on my Subaru. I've had NKs on that, or different sets of those. The RPF ones are they 17 pounds for 18 by 9s. So 19 by 8.5 being 20 pounds, that's pretty damn good. So awesome.